Hi friends, today I am going to explain about a new feature in Apache Cassandra 4.0, that is audit logging. This feature they introduced from Apache Cassandra 4.0 onwards. Earlier version we don't have this feature, so this is very useful feature for our Cassandra while using in production. So I will show you how to configure and all those details. And I have explained all these new features introduced by Apache Cassandra with the version 4.0 earlier video. That one you people didn't see, I will give a in cards. You people can go there and check. So let me explain about audit logging, how to means enable and how to configure audit logging in Cassandra 4.0, and let me give in detailed explanation. So go to conf directory. This is a conf directory. So conf directory we have cassandra.yml. So in cassandra.yml we have to configure audit logging. But before going to cassandra.yml, we have to create audit log directory. Now I am going to create a directory for audit log. So let me go to Cassandra 4 location. So here I am going to create a directories with the directory with the subdirectories. So mkdir hyphen p audit slash logs slash hourly. So I have a rollback cycle is hourly. That's why roll cycle is hourly. That's why I'm creating folder with hourly. mkdir hyphen p audit slash logs slash hourly. This is my audit logging directory I'm creating. Don't use this path for any other usage, because this is automatically uh, delete and recreate the directory. Let me verify all the directories are created or not. Yeah, those all directory and subdirectories are created successfully. Let me go to Cassandra 4 location and conf directory. So let me edit the cassandra.yml with the audit logging options. So this is the configuration we have to edit. So audit logging option is already uncommented. So enabled equal to false. So we have to change it to true. So logger by default we are getting bin audit logging. So bin audit logger audit, it will store binary information. So loggers we have three types basically. Mainly we will use two types while audit logging is enabled. So one is a bin audit logger, another one is a file audit logger. So these two we can use. Bin audit logger is completely stored the data in binary format, some of the data is hidden means with some other strings. So in file audit logger, it will be normally human readable format it will store, so we can read whatever it is storing. So another one is no op audit logger. This is while audit logging option is disabled, we can set it as a logger. So these are the three audit loggers we can set, two for enable true, one for enable false. That is audit logging option. So now we have to edit audit logs directory, so that whatever we was created just now, that one we have to first we enable the audit logs directory, and then give a path, complete path. So work /Cassandra 4 /audit /logs /hourly. That is the complete path we have to mention here, friends. And also we need to check mapping, block mapping, in the sense logger enabler. These all are which align same align audit logs directory also. Otherwise block mapping issues will occur while restarting a Cassandra, so that should be taken care, friends. After this we have to change role cycle hourly. We no need to change anything, just we have to uncomment and uh, um, map with the blocking, means align with the existing options. Once you uncomment, we have to align with existing options. That's it, friends. These are the options we have to enable. Once these enabled, we have to restart our Cassandra. Once we restarted, audit logging will start logging the events. So we can enable audit logging with the node tool also. With all these paths should be provided there itself, so that will be automatically take that path, whatever path, while enabling what path we are providing, same path it will log the audit logging. So now we will go to bin location and stop the Cassandra by using node tool, and restart the Cassandra by using Cassandra. So let me show you how to stop the Cassandra. So this is my node tool command. Uh, so let me check the command help. We can get a help command. So here we can see stop daemon. This we can use for stop the Cassandra. So once we stop the Cassandra, we have to restart the Cassandra. So audit logging features, I will explain a few of them. No additional database or capacity needed for store audit logs, and no tool is required to store audit logs, and the legacy database options is not affected. So there is no performance impact also. So heap memory usage is bounded by weighted queue with with the configurable maximum weight sitting in front of logging thread. So disk utilization is bounded by configurable size, and deleting old log segments once the limit is reached, and can be enabled, disabled, or reset using JMX tool or node tool. So can be configurable settings either by Cassandra.yml or by using node tool. So those are the features, friends. Coming to Cassandra started. So now we'll go to, I opened another session in the sense same node with another session. So I am going to audit location. So this is a bin location. So let me go to another window, and here we'll go to, let me bring this one beside that node. So now both nodes are one by one. So there is no confusion here. So one is in bin location, another one is a audit location, because while I am running SQLs and logging, how it is getting logged in audit logging, that I can show you people easily by using two windows. Otherwise it is very difficult every time going back to and exiting SQL as such. So that's why I opened two windows. So here I'm logging into SQL SH. It's giving error because I didn't provided in any SSL. So that's why it is giving error. So let me check it was logged in uh, audit log or not. So audit log one file was created, that was a metadata.sql CQ4T. This is a metadata. This is not a actually log file. Once we log in into SQL as such only, it will start logging. See friends, I opened metadata.cq4t. Here we can see some of the key information hided by using blur. So this is we are not able to see. So once we want to see this one uh, by using audit log viewer, so we can go to audit log viewer in location Cassandra 4. So here we can see earlier we don't have tools directory. So the Cassandra 4.0 onwards, they introduced the tools directory. Inside the tools directory we have two more folders. Those are bin and a lib, some other YML files also. Those and all I will explain later. So let me go to bin directory as of now. So in bin location we have these many tools. We have one is a audit log viewer, another one is a Cassandra stress FQL tool, and JMX tool, and generate tokens tool, and also SS table dump, SS table split. These many tools they are providing with Apache Cassandra 4.0. So that's why Apache Cassandra 4 is more tools compared to 3.x version. We got audit log viewer. So now I am going to view the metadata for CQ40 file by using audit log viewer. So this is the way we have to see audit log viewer. So we no need to provide a complete path with file name. Till hourly also we can provide. So dot audit log viewer is space slash our path space path. We can provide complete path with the file name, or otherwise we can provide till our the directory. It will show complete information what we got in that metadata. So see here we can able to see everything, but earlier we are unable to see key information that was hidden by uh, a binary format. So let me log in into SQL SH with SSL. Maybe it will log into audit log. The event will log into audit logging. So yeah, now I logged into SQL SH. So let me describe or let me select a star from employee table. So I selected the data. So let me go to once again audit log location. Let me view audit log viewer. So now we have two files in location, but I will show you those two files what are as of now. See above first four or five lines um, from metadata, and type audit onwards. This is from audit log file. So we can see here this is a successfully login, and from this onwards it will start the logging everything. Means logging means every a successful login and unsuccessful login will log into audit log. That is difference compared to what we call FQL tool. So their FQL tool only once you log in into um, SQL SH, and also in SQL SH what query was successfully ran, that one only logged in FQL tool. But in audit log only audit log we can log, we can see a with complete log with all these details. See user Cassandra host name and port number, and login success or fail, or what type of law means what category, what type and operation, login successful, the queries, what query we ran, everything we can see here. That is why this is a very important tool for our production debugging. Uh, and let me show you IP address of this node. So that is matching with what we have login. So because we have only enabled node 1 audit logging, so that IP address is 192.168.179.129. So this is IP address. Let me explain log message. User Cassandra, host to name, host IP address, and source address, and port numbers also with the source address or and host address. So timestamp it is provided, and type what type of query it was running, query or means whatever select query means select. Here you can see above log message type is the login success. So category is a query here. Above category is authentication. So that you can we can see easily here a difference what type of categories we have. I will explain what type of categories, what type of types, and KS means key space name employee, and scope means employee table name, EMP details, Operation is like a kind of which query or SQL we are running. So that is the operation. So operation now we can see here. Above we can see operation is login successful. Let me log in with the incorrect password. We'll see this will log this event in audit log or not. I'm providing here a SQL sh with hyphen hyphen SSL and username Cassandra. Password I'm giving randomly, and host name unode1.example.com and port number 9042. Once enter, we will get error. We can see here what type of error we got. This is saying some username or password incorrect. So let me go to another window. We'll see that one how it was log this event in audit logging. We'll run audit log viewer with the same command what we have run earlier. So see here, so log message username null, because we don't know username wrong or password wrong, that is unable to identify. That's why it was logged user equal to null, and host name same, source name same, and timestamp, and type login error, category authentication, operation login failure with message. See what is the message it is providing. So provided username Cassandra and our password, this is password is hidden with the stars. This is completely one event. So let me show you friends through dev center also how dev center also logging events. Means let me open my dev center. So my dev center started. Let me clone the connection because my original connection having a 6 nodes. So I was enabled only audit logging in a node 1. So let me remove all other nodes because while connecting through dev center with the 6 nodes, we don't know it will connect to 6 nodes, but from which node query was running. So that's why I'm removing others. Only I'm selected required IP address. So now it is connected. My IP address is node 1 IP address. So once we connected, we have to select a cluster name. So cluster name is what we have connected. That cluster name we have to select. So select my cluster name and key space name, system authentication. So once we selected, it will go error message. So if we want to, we can see our tables right side, key spaces and tables, under which table, which key space under which table we can see right side. So now I'm running. So yeah, we got result. So let me go to CLI and a command line, and will show you how it logged that event. So let me run the audit log viewer. So here so many predefined uh, um, queries are running, might be because we are running query with system authentication. So if we are running any query related to predefined schemas means system authentication, system virtual sorry system traces, this type of things we ran. Now means it will run some of the queries automatically by Cassandra. So this is our last log event. So from this onwards, once I ran that uh, connected with the dev center and I ran one single query, right? Because of that, below all the um, queries are ran. So see here all are login successful, and here we can see use a key space while selecting in dev center. We have selected cluster name and key space name that is showing here key space name. After that, we can see these many queries are running as part of Cassandra. So these and all are we didn't ran. We ran only one query. So the system traces and all those ran by Cassandra itself. So this is the query we have ran from Dev Center. So select a star from role permissions. So the below also some of the queries ran by Cassandra. Those are we no need to check. This is the query we have ran through Dev Center. Let me open Dev Center and show you what query I have ran. See, I have ran same query. So that is logged in audit logging events. So that's it, friends. Uh, Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.